morning, shifting our focus. A shocker from Patparganj in the national capital, ward in Delhi by MCD councillor. BJP leader, MCD councillor threatens African national for not speaking Hindi. Renu Chaudhary, BJP councillor, has said that he will lose his job. He coaches children in a park. If he fails to learn Hindi in 1 month, she has posted that a foreign man living in India for 10 to 12 years and earning here has still not made any efforts to learn Hindi and giving an ultimatum of, in fact, learning the language in the next 1 month. For more on this, let me go across to my colleague Isha, who's been tracking all the details. Isha, this is a shocker from the national capital. This is BJP leader, MCD councillor, who has threatened an African national for not speaking in Hindi, asking how can you work in India if you don't know Hindi, and I will give you ultimatum of 1 month, learn or leave. Give us more details.
Akanksha, not just learn and leave, but if you don't learn, the park will be taken away from you. So this essentially is a park where this particular African national coaches children since the past 10 to 12 years. And we are not saying this. We have seen this. This is the information that the BJP ward councillor has put out in her Instagram post herself, that this is an African national who's been coaching children for the last 12 years and he has still not learnt Hindi. She, in her post, also then says that this is completely unacceptable, that how can somebody work in India but not speak Hindi. In fact, this is something, language imposition is not new in India. Hindi imposition is not new. In fact, in Maharashtra as well, we have seen instances. In Tamil Nadu as well, we've seen instances. In fact, Maharashtra is one of the states where the state is very notorious popular for imposing Marathi. In fact, videos have gone viral in the past as well, where leaders and locals have said that if you don't know the language, please leave. So this definitely does speak of a very elitist stance that people have been taking, because and goes against the unity and diversity that that India follows, because India is a multicultural nation. India is a nation where people from different countries also come and living, and it's also a country where several languages are home. So for a leader, for a BJP neta who has been elected, who goes to the MCD house and her salary comes from the taxpayer money, such behavior is absolutely abhorrent.
Absolutely. An open threat that has been given by this MCD councillor is what we're learning, and the video has also gone viral on social media. Stay on with us, Isha. Let's have a look at that video first.
सीरियस तुम सीरियस हो ही नहीं मेरी बात के लिए, सीरियस सुन के भी राजी नहीं हो तुम। हिंदी नहीं सीखी, क्यों नहीं सीखी हिंदी? अगर इसने 1 महीने में हिंदी नहीं सीखी, से पार्क छीन लो। हंसने की बात रही है, सीरियस बोल रही हो ये? बोला था नहीं, 8 महीने हो गए बताए हुए मुझे। अगर 1 महीने में हिंदी नहीं सीखी, यहाँ का मातृभाषा नहीं सीखी, यहाँ का पैसा खा रहे हो तो मुँह में भी हिंदी बोलना सीखो। मैंने 8 महीने पहले ही बोला था, नहीं हुआ ना? सब लोगों ने, सोसाइटी वालों ने रिक्वेस्ट करी कि हमारे बच्चों को मैंने छोड़ दिया था। बता रही हूँ तुझे, कहाँ पे ये पार्क बंद हो जाना चाहिए। कोई भी क्रिमिनल एक्टिविटी होगी तो तुम जिम्मेदार हो। कौन है जिम्मेदार दोनों में से? जिम्मेदारी लो, जिम्मेदारी लो। हिंदी 1 महीने में नहीं सीखी तो इधर पार्क नहीं मिलेगा। 1 महीने देखो, पार्क लेना है तो इसको हिंदी